everyone, this is Ina with Innichkachef and welcome to my kitchen. Today on episode we are making something Ukraine dish, something what I grew up with, pumpkin porridge. It's that time of the year when everything is pumpkin. Everywhere you go it's pumpkin latte, pumpkin pie, pumpkin ravioli, everything pumpkin, and I love it. I do so many dishes, but today I actually decide to reach to my roots and do something what I crave once a while, something what I grew up with, pumpkin porridge. So that's what we make it today, sweet pumpkin porridge. What is great about this porridge, you can serve as after school snack or appetizer. It's not very sweet and it's very few ingredients and it's delicious flavor, but without your pumpkin expectation, which is pumpkin spice, right? It's something what I'm going to skip on. We did not have that in Ukraine, but my mom used vanilla and we're going to use vanilla, short grain rice, a little bit of sugar, and I use turbinaro sugar, pinch of salt, pink salt, milk, cow or goat, honey just for the serving to drizzle on top, bring to desire your sweetness. Everyone has different level of sweetness, who likes more or less, and butter. But don't worry, we're not going to use this much butter. We need only 1.5 or 2 tablespoons. So that's let's begin. Make this delightful porridge. And for this recipe, we need only 1 pound of cut and peeled pumpkin. So I'm going to use only half. How beautiful! I like to scoop the flesh with spoon, and you can use peeler to peel just like you would peel potato, and it's seems like easy that way, or you can use knife and then cut in chunks like 3/4 of inch. All we need to do is just move our beautiful pumpkin chunks to the pot, add salt, sugar and water, just enough to cover. Gently bring to the boil and simmer for 10 minutes, and then we're going to add some rice. 10 minutes pass, so now it's time to add rice, and I already pre-rinse and give another 10 minutes. As you see, it's getting thicker, nice and beautiful, and I keep on low heat. And it's time to add milk. You need 1 cup of milk. About 3 tablespoons of butter. You can add less or more. And vanilla. It's coming beautifully together and it's nice and creamy. And vanilla smells delicious. Now what I like to do, keep cooking on low heat and use potato mash and just press. So the porridge is done and it's time to taste. Awesome, beautiful consistency. My mom probably now would be happy to have this. And I like to sprinkle with pumpkin seeds, but totally option. My mom never did this way, but I think it's pumpkin seeds give little crunch for the texture, and also pumpkin seeds are good for you. Little bit of raisins, little bit drizzle of honey. It's so nice and creamy, and you don't even need to add honey. Honestly, it's so good the way it is, and pumpkin gives natural sweetness, and it brings me right back my memory back to my childhood. I hope you enjoy this video, and for full recipe look for link below. Please give me a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.